Hey guys, Tim here with Mac Trading, and today I'm going to show you guys how to trade options on Thinkorswim. It's very simple, so hopefully by the end of this video, if you guys are looking to start trading options on Thinkorswim, you'll be all set to go. So it's currently Sunday, so market is closed obviously. So I'm using the on-demand feature in Thinkorswim to show you guys how I can place a call option, a put option, and kind of just simulate it all the way through. So say we're looking at AMD right now, right? And AMD is currently trading at $54.62. And I want to go place an option on it, right? So I go up to here to the top left corner, click trade, and let me close these. You're going to see this. So first, make sure that whatever stock you're trying to trade, the ticker's typed in right here. So you're going to see these 4 tabs, right? You're going to want to click option chain. And then this is going to pull up sub tabs showing each expiration date. So like I said, I'm in on demand, and the current date back in time is May 18th, 2020. So I'm going to click the closest expiration option, which is the closest Friday to that time, May 22nd. So this can look very kind of intimidating at first, but it's really no different from Robinhood. It's just kind of formatted differently. So right here you can see the strike price, and it just goes down however many strike prices it's offering. If you click this and you only want to show 12, it only shows 12, so it kind of like clears up your screen a little bit. So I think I'm going to keep it at 12. I usually keep it at 12 or 14. So these are your strike prices. These are all the expirations because we clicked the May 22nd tab. We already know that. So now, say we wanted to place a call option, right? So every time you're doing call options on the trade tab, the calls are to the left. If I was going to do a put option, the puts are to the left, right? So as you can see, it shows the ask, the bid, delta, open, volume. If you don't know what these terms mean, I'll link in the description or somewhere. We have kind of a video explaining those terms for beginners, and it's super simple because it can be confusing. So I'll link that. So yeah, AMD right here. So it's currently trading at almost $55. So let's say we want to place a call option with a $55 strike price, expiration May 22nd, 2020. We'll go right here and we'll click, because this is the option you want. Whatever strike price, you just want to line it up with the strike price. And then to place an order, you click next to it. So you click right here. Once you click, as you can see, this is your order form down here. So this is what pops up. So it says if you're buying it, how many contracts, the company, the expiration, the strike price, the call or put, etc. So one thing you have to be careful of when you click a option on Thinkorswim, Thinkorswim automatically sets it so you're buying 10 contracts, as you can see right here, right? So most likely you don't want to buy 10 contracts off the rip, especially if you're just getting into trading options or trading options on Thinkorswim. So you just click the minus button, and I always try to bring it down to 1 just because it's easy to forget that it auto sets to 10. So bring it down to 1, then if you want to buy 2 maybe after thinking about it, 3, whatever it is. So let's just say I want to buy 1, right? So going over this order entry, it's a buy 1 contract of AMD 55 strike price call option expiring May 22nd, which is what I want, right? So right here, confirm and send, that's how you place your order. You click that. This is kind of just a second confirmation of your order. You click send, right? So in the top left corner, it says I was just filled. If you don't see that, it means you haven't gotten filled yet. So I got filled. So now it shows my current working order down here. So you can look at that, but what I like to do when I have active orders is go to the top left. Next to the trade tab, you'll see monitor. Click monitor, and then these right here. At the bottom, this is my working order for the day. So like I said, this is the order I just placed, 55 strike price on AMD. And then if you look to the right, this is your profit losses. So on demand's a little glitchy, so if it looks a little laggy or behind or something, just because it's on demand. But as you can see on this 55 call already, I'm up $9. If it went the other way, I would be down. And if you're down money, there would just be parentheses around this $9. So I'm up $9. Say I want to lock in profit. You just go to right here. You highlight this, which is your order. You right click. And then you'll see create closing order, because you want to sell it back, right? So you're creating the closing order. You hit sell. Once you click sell, it's going to look like it looked when you bought the option, right? But it's just red, and over here it says sell now, and you're selling one contract, right? So now to sell this back and lock in my profit, do the same thing, confirm and send again. I got filled right away again, right? So now let's go look at that trade. On that trade, single-handedly, I made $9, and it was my first trade of the day. So my overall profit loss for the day is plus $9. All right. So that was a call option, how to get in and get out. Now let's look at put options. So it's basically the same thing, right? So a put option, as you guys know, is just betting the price is going to go down. So now, like I said, all the puts are on the right. If you're doing a put, it's on the right, a call is on the left. So say I want to pick that same strike price, right, for a put, saying it's going to go down. I go to the right of the strike price, click this. So Thinkorswim does this, right? So if you remember, when I placed the first call option, this was green. So you have to remember, even when you're buying puts, so yes, puts means that the price is going to go down, but this has to be buy and this has to be green if you're trying to buy a put. If it's red, you're not buying it. I don't know why it automatically sets it to sell when you don't even have an active put option, but it does. So you change that to buy. Then, like I said the first time, it auto sets it at 10 contracts, which I don't want. I'm just going to do one again. Look down. It's still AMD, expiring May 22nd, 55 strike price, and it's a put option, right? So that's just the thing. When you click put option, make sure it's on buy if you're buying it, and make sure it's not 10. It's just the amount of contracts that you want. Now, same thing as the call, confirm and send. This is the second confirmation screen. Send. I got filled for a $55 put on AMD. Just like last time, I want to go look at it. I'm going to click monitor in the top left. So now, let's go down to this. This is my active one, right? Because you can see this is the put. This is the one I did earlier. So this is going to stay for the whole day because it's like, it shows your daily fills and daily orders. So as you can see on the $55 put, I'm down $6.50, right? So this is actually a good example. So say you're down money and you're like, oh shit, I want to sell out. Or you hit your stop loss or something, or whatever. You want to get out of the trade just to prevent bigger losses. Just like before, you click on that order, right click, create closing order, sell. Then it comes up. So now you're trying to sell, thus why it says sell here. Confirm and send. Send. I sold. Got rid of that. So now I'm not in that trade anymore. Let's go look and see what happened. Go back to the monitor tab. So my first call option right here, right? I made $9. So I profited $9. And then when I placed my put option, I lost $7. So these are the single trades. If you close it, total together, obviously, you make 9, you lose 7, you profit $2. So that's basically it, guys. Just to, reiterate, make sure when you're placing these call options or these put options, you don't just do 10 contracts unless you want to. You always have it on buy, even if it's a put. If you guys are trying to get out of a trade and it's not getting filled, you want to switch, click this right here and switch limit to market. So you might lose a little more money, but if you really, really want to get out of the trade, you'll get filled right away and get out of it right away. And then also, guys, if you're trying to get into a trade, say I place this order and for whatever reason it didn't get filled and I was trying to do a quick trade, or I changed my mind and I don't want to get in, you can just go to monitor. And I don't have any working orders right now, but if you click this tab down, it'll show trying to get filled, like waiting to get filled or something. And if you just go to the right, you can click cancel order, right click and cancel order. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you learned how to trade options. If you have questions, comment below. Make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you guys want to see different types of videos in the future, let us know in the comments. Follow us on Instagram, Mac Trading. And in our Instagram bio, we have our Discord link, which is free. We post signals, daily advice, daily stock talk, everything investing stock talk. All right, guys, thank you. Hope you guys learned something. Peace out.